is Krishna Panchal, owner of Kanshil Custom Moto. Hello YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So this is a 1978 Royal Enfield. We are presenting you today. It's a combination of vintage plus new age. So the new age thing on this bike is a disc brake installed, which was very much needed back in the days. And then further you can see LED headlights, which were very much important too, because the old age bikes don't give enough light. Moreover, we can see adjustable clutch brake levers, kill switch, and much more as you move ahead with the bike. The bike is also got a handmade seat, okay, which is way more comfortable. The springs are organized the way for more comfort. So everything on the bike is powder coated, and rest the chrome you see is all SS. So overall this bike is a rust free bike, and it's never gonna die anymore. Bring your bikes to Kanshil Custom Moto if you want to save them, make them new, and never let them die. Thank you. Signing off, Krishna Panchal. See you soon.